What up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about how often should you check your washer fluid on your vehicle. Man, it's really not a make or break you, but this is not a common topic to talk about. Because me personally, your boy ArtOfSpeedd, he be getting on the interstate, taking them turns like it's no one's business, and I need to see the road very clearly. So I got the washer fluid, you know, boom. So how often should you check your washer fluid? Every 2 months. You know, bi-weekly. This is another routine thing when you're taking your car into service. Make sure they look at the washer fluid or topping the washer fluid off, because you know, that is a plus. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say a lie. Have that washer fluid topped off so you can keep your windshield clean. Unless you have that different type of washer fluid in your vehicle, they may not touch it. For me personally, during the winter time, especially that de-ice or that defrost washer fluid, man. So you know, I used to get off 2 o'clock in the morning. I needed it. I'm like, oh shit, cleans it right on up, and I'm ready to go. But yes, I need my washer fluid. That's like another thing I check when I'm looking for a vehicle. I'm like, yo, I make sure the hoses and everything right, because your boy ArtOfSpeedd got to make sure the vehicle is in tip-top shape. So if you do decide to sell the vehicle, they ain't say, yo, ArtOfSpeedd gave me a lemon. So how long do your washer fluid last? So, you know, it really have water in it. So it's not like it's going to evaporate or anything like that. It actually stays in there for a pretty long time. If I had to give you a number, probably like two years, I would say, because of the fact that it's water. And unless you have a hole in your washer fluid reservoir, it will stay in there unless you're not using it often. But yeah, every 2 years, if you're not using it often and you just keeping it topped off, yeah, probably like 2 years. A little indicator, I put it on the screen, and that would indicate that your washer fluid is low. And so just go to your local AutoZone, or if you about to go in for a routine oil change sooner than later, hey, let your service advisor know, hey, can you top off my washer fluid because it's low. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.